Assalamu alaikum. Guys, as you all know that living things are made up of cell. So today I'll talk about cell and its organelles. Cell. Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of life. It is often called as building block of life, as life cannot exist without a cell. But do you know, cell is made up of even smaller objects, and these objects are called as cell organelles. The three basic parts of cell are cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Cell membrane. Cell membrane is a thin, double-layered, semi-permeable membrane, as it does not allow all the molecules to cross it. The main component of cell membrane is lipid, so it is also called as lipid bilayer membrane. It also contains protein and carbohydrates. Cell membrane surrounds cytoplasm and it also gives shape to the cell. Nucleus. It is the controlling center of the cell as it contains genetic material in the form of DNA. Nucleus is surrounded by a double-layered membrane called nuclear envelope, which separates nucleus from cytoplasm. Within the nucleus, there is a small rounded organelle is present called nucleolus. It is responsible for the formation of ribosome that plays role in protein synthesis. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance within the living cells excluding nucleus. Cytoplasm is the place where most of the cellular activities occurs, as it is the largest part of the cell. Cytoplasm also gives cell its shape. The main components of cytoplasm are the organelles. Now, let me tell you about different organelles. Mitochondria. It is a double membrane bounded structure. The inner membrane has many enfolding called cristae. Mitochondria is called as powerhouse of the cell, as it produces energy for the cell to carry out its activity. Mitochondria also contain its own DNA. Endoplasmic reticulum. It is a network of interconnected channels within cytoplasm and continues with the nuclear membrane. It serves multiple functions like synthesis of protein and lipids, transportation of protein, and modification of substances. On the basis of the presence and absence of ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum are of two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum contains ribosomes on its surface, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum lacks ribosomes. Rough endoplasmic reticulum plays roles in the synthesis of protein, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays role in the metabolism of lipids. Ribosomes are important cytoplasmic organelles. Ribosome is a large complex of RNA and protein. It is made up of two subunits, large subunit and small subunit. It is formed by the nucleolus, which is present in the nucleus of the cell. It plays role in the synthesis of protein, Golgi body. It is also known as packaging house of the cell. It is bounded by a membrane. Golgi body is present next to endoplasmic reticulum and near to nucleus. It is responsible for transporting, modifying and packaging protein and lipids into vesicles for delivery to targeted destinations. Lysosomes. It is a membrane-bound organelle present in animal and in plant cells. Lysosomes are formed by budding from the Golgi complex. It contains digestive enzymes that can break down many harmful unwanted substances present in cytoplasm, which disturbs the cellular activities of the cell. Chloroplast. It is a It is responsible for the process of photosynthesis within the plant body, as it contains green color pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is responsible for trapping sunlight that is coming from the sun. Vacuole. Vacuole is a membrane-bound organelle which is present in animal and in plant cells. Vacuoles are basically an enclosed organelles that are filled with both inorganic and organic molecules, along with water, to support the organelle. Centriole. In a cell, a centriole is a cylindrical organelle composed mainly of a protein called tubulin. Centrioles are found in animal cells. Plant cells lack centriole. A pair of centriole surrounded by a shapeless mass of dense material called centrosome. Centrioles helps in the formation of spindle fibers that separates chromosomes during the process of cell division. I hope by my explanation the topic cell and its organelles is now clear to you. Thank you.